Redwood City. Kaya niyo ba mag-ganito? Okay, can you do it together? Music, please.
I'll be the bathroom, Mom.
Okay.
Thank you so much! Grabe na talaga to. Grabe, living in concert dreams talaga dito sa Redwood City. Like, O to the M to the... Oh, love it! The audience participation is giving, ha? Dapat talunin din to ng LA and Edmonton and Toronto. Yes! We love that! Yes, ramdam mo talaga siya sa mga sigawan and tilian. Pero ito, ramdam niyo rin ba talaga kapag tumitingin siya sa inyo? Natutunaw din ba kayo? Yung mga pa-national at national, pero pag may sinabi isang word, oh my gosh! Oh, to the M to the? Like, oh my God. And tonight, someone very special is about to make all of you feel that kind of kilig. And syempre, 20 years na rin and counting dito sa showbiz and nagbibigay ng kilig sa marami. Kaya hindi ko na po ito patatagalin. Once again, ready na ba kayo? Paolo Appolino!
Suwete. She's pretty, ah. Kim Chu.
God bless that song.
20 years ago, nagsimula ang lahat.
You have a video? Could you send me all the videos?
Yes, mamaya
I
na.
was curious to tell stories. I was curious to become better.
About Paulo, you're in love with
To tackle
Paulo.
every opportunity with honesty and authenticity. And that's when I was reminded of something important. That every journey needs three things. To have a dream, to believe in that dream, and to survive and operate. Dream, because without dreams, life becomes stagnant. Watch the flow until it flow. Believe, Because just in believing that you can achieve the simplest things in life gives you the strength and drive to move forward. Masarap sa feeling eh. Anong favorite picture niyo? Lahat? Yeah. But, medyo may mga first time na mga nakitang pictures dito ng mga bata for you guys. Para dito sa... So, yeah, something new to see. And thank you everyone. I've been asked a couple of times why I'm still doing this. And my love for acting is always there for filmmaking. It's always been there. Actually, everything that's happening now is new to me. So I'm very grateful. It still feels weird, but you know, when I see you guys, when I see your smiles, when I see some of our projects inspiring you guys, just making you happy each day that passes, it's all worth it. I'm very happy. Let's keep going as well. Thank you. And this next song, I'm sure a lot of you guys know this. So if you know the song, you can sing it with me. that bridge on the bridge. Just a little old-fashioned. Takes more than physical attraction. My initial reaction is how to get up. It's really hard. Gonna be the one girl. Let me be the one girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be love. Don't love me for fun, girl. Let me be the one girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be love. Don't love me for fun, girl. Let me be the one girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be love. Don't love me for fun, girl. Let me be the one girl. Love me for a reason. Let the reason be
Thank you very much, Paolo Adelino! Grabe, parang ang teleserye talaga, super kilig. And speaking of teleseries and kilig, alam naman natin ang Kimba ay certified teleserye royalties. Ano ang pabiling teleserye? Walang pangalan, Diyos ko ang mala. Pero,
Ayan, si Jane
Romo.
Romo.
Jane Roger Romo, ayun sa
Yes!
taas!
Tama ka, nagkakatawa ka namin. Pero nasa taas na siya.
Ang sinabi niya dito sa park tonight means very excited to watch Kimpa. My favorite Kimpa moment is it's time to see you, not in person, but
Ano, not in person, but in spirit? Ano to? So that was the correct message. Okay, pero hindi pa. Hindi pa yun ang tanong mo. Dahil kailangan mo pag-isipang mabuti because this is your once in a lifetime chance para magbigay ng iyong katanungan. So ano ang pangalan niyo ulit?
Mami Jane.
Mami Jane. Taga saan ka muna? Hindi niyo alam kung saan kayo nakatira? Mukha pa kasi pinag-isipan niyo.
Ang pamilya ko lahat kami taga San Francisco. Pero nag-book ako sa suburbs sa Patterson. It's about 2
Ulay.
hours away.
Oh my God.
thank you for coming all the way.
Ang galing, ang galing. Okay. So, Mami Jane, ready na ba kayo sa inyong katanungan?
Kinabahan ako kasi walang mukha si Mami Jane.
Dapat huwag kang ganyan, hindi ka naman hindi mo na Okay, Mami Jane, your question, go!
Matagal na akong family team shoot.
Okay.
Dapat nung nakita ko siya sa My Girl.
Ah.
Hindi ko na alam yung DVD or anything. Nalaman ko na lang yun after I saw her in My Girl.
Okay.
From then on, I followed her. Bonus pa, si Buwana rin ako.
Salamat po.
I was born in Cebu.
Ah,
3 years old ako nung nag-migrate ang parents ko.
so, ikaw kasi Cebu na ako na Cebu. Asa ka Cebu ka po yun?
Sa Juan, sa ang akong mga ginkanan,
Okay.
nagpuyo kami nung ako, anak-anak ko, hanggang 3 years old sa Kakusalem.
Hakusalem. Hindi nag-aasa ka sa ato guys.
Salamat po.
Sige.
Pero ang among town
Okay.
is north of Cebu City.
Okay, so pag-usapan natin ang problema.
Akmon, Cebu.
Okay na yun. Ate Jane, ready na ba ka? Ready na? Okay, ready one? Two. Okay, ready one? Two. Okay, ready? Ready? Go!
Ready. ang tanong ko lang, masaya-masaya ako nung nakita ko.
Okay, Mami Jane. Linawin natin ha. Ayaw namin masaya ka. So, ano ulit ang tanong mo, Mami Jane?
Nung ano, hindi ako masyadong familiar
May dimension na yata siya. Pagkikwento eh.
Oh,
nagustuhan ko.
nagustuhan mo na. So, hindi pa sabihin, gusto mo sa karami. Okay, uulitin ko. Ano po ang tanong?
Ang tanong ko,
Okay, kasi susi na kayo.
talaga ako sa inyo. So, what's the score between you?
Maganda ang intro mo, pero may punch sa lahat. Okay, ayun. Kim, out, pahala na kayo.
Out of 100, 10.
Out of 100, the score is... So, we're gonna have...
Ano bang gusto mong score, Kim?
Give me like 100.
Mami Jane! Masaya-masaya! Thank you, Mami Jane!
And you get a special something from us.
Thank you, Mommy Queen.
O ayan, at dahil taga Cebu ka, meron kang danggit, okay? Okay, Kim? Your
Sabi
turn.
ka na ito ka.
Okay. Ay, sino kaya ang susunod
And
na
next, I see ang iksi ng message niya, Dear Kim and Pao, tonight means, ano yan, medyo
Tonight means
titi.
IT boys?
Tintin na na? Tintin Bulls. Parang ang laswang nila. Joker.
Sir Joe, please explain yourself.
Sino si Sergio?
Titi boy.
Gusto mo na kausapin ng personal.
Parang ayaw na ni Sir Joe.
Anong ibig mo sabihin dito sa sinulan mo?
Joe Perry.
In 5,
Joker.
4, 3,
Next.
2,
Wow, okay. Buti na lang.
Ayaw niya na iharap yourself niya. Ayaw ko ito susundan ko kay Mama Jean.
Kinabahan ako. Okay, next sila.
Okay, Dear Kim and Pao, tonight means killing. Love, Christine.
Christine.
Yeah, walang apelido.
Christine. Basilio. Christine. Ayan. Christine. Taga saan mo si Christine? Mantika. Kaya ang mukhang pressure. Mukhang shiny silver. Okay, Christine. Ano? Mag-isip mabuti. Ano ang iyong katanungan? Makakapagtanong ka ba within this way?
Saan ka galing?
Sa Mantika. Lugar mo yun.
Lugar yun.
Yes.
Kalayo. Anong tanong? Ano ba maganda yung tanong? Kayo na ba talaga? Sabi, kasal na daw sila eh.
Ang dinig ko.
Oo nga.
Ito bang kasal na kayo?
Oh, I love the question. Are you happy on your first career breakfast today?
Kasal na ba kayo?
Super! Super talaga. Actually, hindi ko talaga in-expect na ganito kadami sa salubong sa amin. Pao! Super happy talaga. Actually, kinakabahan talaga kaming dalawa. But with your response, with all your laughters and presence, it means so much. You made this first leg memorable. Thank you very much.
At syempre, hindi natatapos dyan, Kim and Pao. Ikaw naman, Pao. Ikaw naman, Pao.
Yes, I'm happy na. It doesn't show. Hindi ka kalata sa mukha ko, pero masaya ako.
No, actually, totoo yun. Masaya-masaya siya. Lalo-lalo na si Pao. Pero
Ay,
syempre,
pinagkabalan na yung mga baby pictures niyo. Oh, I love it!
nadala ako na rin sa World Meet natin. Okay, speaking of more fun, eto na, diretso na tayo sa ating karaoke segment. Of course, to be led by Kim and Pao!
Medyo M-E-D-Y.
Yes, kung alam niyo yung kanta, sabayan niyo kami. Ito yung mga kinanta namin ni Tao sa mga performances namin. Music please! Hindi tayo. Love.
Ano pa naman ito? Kung alam ko lamang ko iyong iniwan, di na sana ako nagmahal ng lubusan.
Ngunit ang puso ko